So we're rolling up on Walmart to do a grocery pickup. Actually, a couple of grocery pickups. You guys have heard about the flat rate food box. Yeah, it's still a thing. We're still doing that. The unfortunate reason why most people don't use it is that they pick up the phone and call customer service and they want you to sit there for 45 minutes and explain a flat rate food box. When this is a product that all of the instructions are already pre-written, it's something that customer service provides no support on, because it's one of these products that we make no money on. It's one of them things that we do for a platinum customer. As you know, we always take care of our platinum customer. There goes the Walmart guy coming out the side of the door, and we're gonna give him the order numbers and he's gonna bring out the groceries. We're gonna, pack it in a box neatly, pack it nice and tight. We're gonna send it to you. It's for a flat rate. We're gonna deliver it to your doorstep. It's one of the best thing ever, but most people don't actually use it because they really don't want to read, and it requires reading. Here goes a Walmart guy picking up the flat rate food box from Walmart. This is the gentleman from Walmart. He's reading from the paper the order number, and we generally carry our own baskets in the back of the truck. He's gonna bring it out. We're gonna pack it up, and as I say, we're gonna go back to our facility. We're gonna pack them up nicely for you. We're gonna ship them, so you're not paying for packaging either. We're gonna bring them through customs. We're gonna clear them. We're gonna deliver them to your doorstep. Yeah, so we have the baskets all made up and prepped. We're waiting on the guy to come out of that door over there, that orange door with the groceries. As I said, the flat rate food box is not something that we're gonna sit on the phone with a customer and explain. All the instructions for the flat rate food box is pre-written. If you're a platinum customer, you're a reader, you don't mind reading and grasping and following the instructions, you could go ahead and order your groceries. We'll come out here, we'll pick them up for one flat rate, we'll pack them in a box, we'll deliver them to the doorsteps in Jamaica. If you have family, friends, loved one, mama, papa, kids at home, if you're in Cayman working, in Bermuda working, you want to send back some groceries back home, this is the product for you. Go ahead, go on our website at the top, click on flat rate food box, read the instructions, follow the instructions step by step, place your order, and we'll get the groceries delivered for you. A cold day in South Florida. It's in the 40s. So the groceries are coming out now. We're about to pack them in the bin, and we're about to stack them up. So 2 separate orders, they're coming out right now. Right here we're doing pickup. We got dishwashing liquid all over. I go and I'll Ziploc bag this and I'll tape it up to make sure it doesn't get over the food, but we're gonna have Walmart is gonna change this first because the guy is very nice. But this is how you get your large cooking oil and your rice and all your heavy items into Jamaica, by doing a flat rate food box. But this is just our pickup bag. This is not how we pack things, but we look out for damages and we catch all the damages. We'll package this up nice and tape it up and Ziploc bag it up. We'll tape up the soap and all that stuff, but when you're purchasing, you must be mindful that if you purchase things that don't go with each other, you're actually setting yourself up for problems, even though we take all the precautions we can for you.